What's up guys, Sammy Hitzke here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Bucktail Clouser, which is that guy there. Now these would have to be one of the most widely used flies in fly fishing. I reckon just about every fly box should have one if they don't already. Very simple to tie, very easy to use, and they can catch so many different species that it's just crazy not to have one with you at all times. So that's the guy there, and it's on a 2-0 hook. I'm going to show you how to tie one right now. Now what we need for this one, we need our hook there. That's a 2-0 Gamma Cactu SL12 I think it is. I've got a set of dumbbell eyes and I've got my 2 bits of bucktail. I've got white and pink, my favourite colour combination. Now we're going to start this off by laying the thread on the shank and working it back towards the gape of the hook. The idea behind this is to start the thread, give you something to work with, but also to create a base to lay your eyes and your bucktail on. So once you've got a nice even layer of thread there, grab your dumbbell eyes, place them just shy of a centimetre back from the eye of the hook. You want to leave yourself plenty of room to work with, and then use your thread to do figure eights over the top of those eyes until it's locked in position, like so. Tighten it up like that. Once you give it a few wraps, give it a quick tweak, and if it moves, then you need to do a few more. If it's pretty solid, then you're good to go. So that's feeling good there now. Now the first bit we're going to do is going to be pink. Now when this fly sinks, the weight of these eyes is going to make it sink upside down like that. So we're going to have pink on the bottom. So we grab our bucktail, feel around for a nice long section there and a nice little bunch of it. I think that'll do. Grab our super sharp scissors, separate it out and snip away. Beautiful. So that's him there. Now pull out any loose bits, give the end a trim so it's nice and neat. And what you want to do is lay it over your dumbbell eyes there and use your thread to loosely catch it on the first couple of passes. Now this helps you to secure it and get it in position. Make sure it's all playing the game, because it will try and pull over this side of the hook because that's the direction of the direction of the thread. But if you keep riding it and then make your loops tighter and tighter, it'll eventually play the game and stay in the right spot. Now at this stage you can use your scissors to trim any longer bits so they don't encroach on the eye of your hook. And it also helps just to make it look nice and neat, because not that the fish mind, but they look better in your fly box, that's for sure. Let's get a few of these last little strands here. Beautiful. And then we take our thread all the way to the end and lock it in place. So it should look like that. Now we want to bend it over the eyes and lock it in position on the other side of the head. So again, do your wrap underneath, so go underneath your eyes, do a loose loop over the top to just grab it, then slowly get tighter with your loops until you've got it locked in position, and then give it some wraps. That's looking and laying nicely. So that's the back section done, easy as. So now we roll our vise over so we can attack the underside. Now grab our white bucktail and do the exact same thing. Grab out a good section, it's good length, those ones. Good length and a nice varying array of lengths in and then cut him off. Grab the excess. Okay, so that's our white bit of bucktail, that's what we're going to use there. Now we want to lay that, try and get an even amount of bucktail on each side of the hook point there, and in your other hand hold it while you loop the thread over the top. Same thing, you kind of increase your pressure once you secure the bucktail. Now, again, get the scissors, trim it up nicely so it's nice and neat. Slide that bit back over here, and then once it's all nice and neat, do your harder, tighter wraps to get it all in position and lock it there, like so. Now, at this stage you can spin it back over, and it's time to finish off the fly. So I don't have the special tool, so I make a half hitch with my finger over the eye and tighten, half hitch over the eye, tighten, and one more for good luck, over the eye and tighten. Now, grab your scissors, cut your thread off nice and close, grab your UV cement. Now if you've lost your little brush like I have, you can use a section of line. I'm using a zip tie, and just coat all the sections of thread there with your clear coat. Now make sure you get the whole way around, because this protects the thread as well. It stops it from coming undone, but also protects it from fish's mouths. So fish like queenfish and trevally, they'll actually wear through the thread if it's not coated. And then we do the back section here. And I also put some where the bucktail goes over the eyes there, like so. And that protects the bucktail, because it's got a bit of pressure on it because it's being bent over the dumbbell eyes there. So that bit of resin there will protect it from fish and breakage and whatnot. Now you get your UV torch and give it a good dose. You want to make sure you set all of your clear coat. So just keep rotating it around, make sure you get into all the little nooks and crannies. And give it a really good blasting. And voila! So once you're finished, grab your fly out, neaten it up a little bit if it needs it. Make sure your underside is laying nicely. But there you have it. That is a pink and white bucktail fly, Bucktail Clouser. That's ready to catch everything from flathead to tuna. Really handy to have in the box, and one you should definitely have at home. Alright guys, catch you later.